Good day, viewers. Today we are going to solve Waec equation. Waec equation like x raised to power 0 plus x raised to power 1 plus x raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 3 plus dot dot dot. It means that the number still continues raised to power 4, raised to power 5, raised to power 7 till raised to power 11. So it's equal to x minus 3 plus x raised to power 12 divided by x minus 1. Now, solution, that is always the first step in mathematics. That is my spelling of solution. If you look at the left hand side in this mathematics, this is what we call a geometric series. It's a geometric series in the sense that note that the formula is always like Sn is equal to A into r raised to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. R minus 1 when r is greater than 1. Okay, let's look at this now. A is the first term. Now the first term here is what? I know that the first term here is A is equal to x raised to power 0. That is the first term. Then x raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. According to the law of indices, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Then let's look at R, my common ratio. R signify common ratio. R signify common ratio. Common ratio means the second term divided by the first term, or the third term divided by the second term, or the fourth term divided by the third term. Anyone that you pick, you still give you the same answer. If I pick this divided by this will be x raised to the power 3 divided by x raised to the power 2, which is just like saying x times x times x divided by x times x. You know that this and this cancel, and we are left with only x. So since we are done, let's substitute this in the formula. The n signify the number of terms this thing appears. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to count, it will be up to 12. From here to here is 12. So let's continue. X12, because my n is 12, is equal to 1 into r is what? R is x, and my n is what? Is 12 minus 1 divided by r is what? R become my x, and this is what? My minus 1. So if I want to check, 1 times this remain this. That is x raised to the power 12 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So that means that everything at the left hand side is equal to this, but I can still split this to become x raised to the power 12 divided by x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Like, this is the law of this thing. Is it algebra? I'm using algebra to solve this. When we have something like this one divided by this and minus 1 divided by this is still the same thing. So that means that everything at the left hand side give me this. So I will represent this at the left hand side to be x raised to the power 12 divided by x minus 1 and minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to x minus 3 plus x raised to the power 12 divided by x minus 1. So we have that. Okay, let's, if we check something here, here becomes 0 in the sense that if I transfer this to the left hand side, it becomes a negative this, and that place will give us 0. That will be x raised to the power 12, x raised to the power 12 divided by x minus 1. If I bring down this will be x raised to the power 12 also divided by x minus 1. This one still remain minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to x minus 3. So that is the reason I said that this will become 0. Everything here will be 0. So we are left with minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to x minus 3 because everything here is 0. Everything here becomes 0. So to check this, cross multiplication now, we have minus 1 times this is minus 1, and we have it to be x into 1 and x minus 3. So that is what we have. So let's do some expansion here. This is x time. I will bring this to the left hand side. X minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to negative 1. Is equal to negative 1. So x times x is x squared. X times this is what? Minus 3x. Minus 1 times x is minus x. Negative 1 times negative 3 becomes positive 3 is equal to negative 1. So the next step is x squared. This and this become minus 4x. This will be 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Negative 1 crosses to this place. It changes to positive 1. So here become x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's look for a two possible number that when we add, we have this. Then when we still use the same number, we have a positive 4. So that number is a minus 2. Minus 2 plus minus 2 is minus 4. Then the same minus 2 times minus 2 give us a positive 4. So I'll clean the left hand side. I'll clean the left hand side. So this becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So the two possible numbers here, x squared minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So if I want to factor out what is common here, it will be x. Bringing out x outside, we have here like this. X times x is x squared, and x times minus 2 is minus 2x. Here over here, I'll bring out my minus 2, and what is remaining here is this. Minus 2 times this is minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 2 give us a positive 4. So that means that since these are the same, we can conclude that we have it to be x minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that means that x is equal to 2 twice. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2. So that means that x is equal to 2 twice. Remember that what we did here, since here are the same, you pick one and you pick the outside number. So thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and bye bye.